Hello. I've been just waking up in the morning thinking about receiving this package and what I would do. I created a board on Pinterest because that's how excited I am about using this clay. So yeah, let's unpack together. Woohoo! Whoa, so heavy. So cute, this box. I love the logo. Very, very cute. You basically get a pottery guide, just tells you what's in the kit and then just some technique. So you can create so many things like plant pots or vases, incense dishes. Oh, that's so cool. So we have, I think it's 2 kilos of clay, 2 packages. These are wooden tools. That's very cute. I don't know how to use these, but hey, there's a guide. And then you get a gloss varnish and then an eggshell white. So one is the paint and the other one is varnish. Probably something that you put over it to make it look glossy. I am guessing here. 2 brushes and then you get this smoothing sponge. This is the part that's not good. I think I need to cut my nails. But I don't want to cut my nails. But look at that. Okay, I'm gonna go cut my nails. Back again with short nails. So I guess step 0, cut your nails if you have long nails. So cool.
The ending, and what's it called? Make it big, score and slit the cut ends. Cut, twirl it into a ring, and then cut to the overlap. To the overlap, oh my god.
Oh, maybe now I have to do what I learned before, which is the overlap trick that worked so well. It didn't. Diagonally cutting at the overlap, getting rid of these ends. Guess I'm blending that with the blending tool. Good morning. No, this is not my dog. Since I was working from home, I decided to host this dog, Remy, super cute. This is the pinch pot that I created, and then this is the dish, I guess, like the little dish. They came out quite nice. I think they're done. It's been now a day and a half or a couple of days. And the next step would be to paint on a layer of white acrylic paint. So that's what I will do now. But I just love the organization of this box. I can't, like I'm gonna keep it this way. This is the eggshell white acrylic that comes with the box. And then you can decorate it with other colors. That's gonna be the next step. So here we go. That's how it's looking for now. Better. That's it. I like it. So yeah, the final results. These are the ones. I'm pretty happy with these. I will definitely buy more clay from Sculpd because I am gonna make a lot of Christmas presents. I really enjoyed the process of making these. It was very relaxing. I just loved the experience of doing things with my hands. I recommend this experience. I recommend this kit. I might try out an actual pottery class. I guess I can learn way more by going to a class, so looking forward to that. And that's all for my Sculpd review. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope this helped someone. For me, it was just very enjoyable even to create this video. So yeah, thank you for watching this.